Okay, class. So this is part 2 of your review. So find the equation of the quadratic function given 3 points. So we have -2, -3, -1, 6, 1, and -6. Okay, so this is now the solution. So first, you're going to plug in or substitute using the first point, which is -2 and -3 in your standard form, which is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And you're going now to identify, since this is a point, this is now an ordered pair, so therefore x is equal to 2, -2, y is equal to -3. So we are going to substitute y is equal to -3 is equal to a, your x is -2 is squared plus b times -3, or rather -2 plus c. So therefore, this is now the same as, a squared. 2 times -2 is equal to 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to -3. So this is your equation 1. So this is equation 1. Then using point -1 and -6, so y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. We have -6 is equal to a times -1 is squared plus b times -1 plus c. So therefore, a -1 times -1 is positive. We have a minus b plus c is equal to -6. So this is now your equation 2. Again, we use the next point, which is using 1 and -6. So we have y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So y is -6 equals to a. 1 is squared plus b times 1 plus c. So we have -6 is equal to a plus b plus c, or a. So this is now the same as a plus b plus c is equal to -6. So this is now your equation 3. Now, then you're going now to combine, since this is, you're going to combine equation 2 and 3. And equation 2 is a minus b plus c is equal to -6. And a plus b plus c is equal to -6. In order to remove b, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2a plus 2c is equal to -12. So this is now your equation 4. Okay? Again, you're going now to combine equation 1 and equation 2. So we have, this is now your equation 4. So you're going now to combine equation 1, because we used 2 and 3. So this time you're going now to use equation 1. So your equation 1 and equation 2. Your equation 1 is 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to -3. And your equation 2 is equal now to a minus b, ito, plus c is equal to -6. So therefore, in order to remove one variable here, No? You're going to remove one variable. Say, for example, we want to remove b. So you are going to multiply this by 2. Yes, you're going to multiply negative 2. So therefore, this is now, the new equation now will be negative 2a. No? So we just copy 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to negative 3. And you have here, the new equation now will be negative 2a, negative 2 times negative b is positive 2b, minus c, 2c is equal to 12. Then, add, we eliminate now. So this is now equal to 4a minus 2a is equal now to 2a minus c, because 1 minus 2 is negative 1, is equal now to 9. So this is now your equation 5. Okay? And then, we're going now to combine equation 4 and 5. Okay, next, combine equation 4 and 5. So, to find c. So, to find c, so this is now your combination of, we have 2a, this is equation 4, plus 2c is equal to negative 12. And equation 5 is equal now to 2a minus negative 2a plus c is equal to negative 9. Okay, yung kanina po, ayan. Ayan siya. This is equation 5. Equation 5. No? And equation 4. So next. Okay, so we're going now to combine. So therefore, 2a minus 2a, this is now equal to 0. So 2c plus 1c is equal to 3c. Then add negative 21. Therefore, divide this by 3, divide this by 3. So c is equal to negative 7. Okay, so this is now to find c. Then to find a, we have 2a plus 2c is equal to negative 12. Okay, then substitute, this is 2 times 2a plus 2 times negative 7 equals to negative 12. So they have 2a is equal to negative 12 plus 14. So 2a is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Then, to find b, so you can use any equation. To find b, we have a plus b plus c is equal to negative 6. So, a is equal to 1 plus b plus c is equal to negative 7 equals negative 6. So, 1 plus negative 7 is negative 6 is equal to negative 6. B is equal to negative 6 plus 6. B is equal to 0. Therefore, to plug in now to your standard form. So therefore, your equation now is, your a is 1, 1, then copy x squared. B is 0, no more b, plus your c is equal to negative 7. So therefore, y is equal to x squared minus 7. This is now your equation. Okay? So that's it. So next page. Okay. How about, how are we now going to transform standard form to vertex form? Okay, so we're going to change, for example, this is your standard form. Y is equal now to 2x squared minus 2x minus 1. So how are we going to change this to vertex form? Your vertex form is a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so using this, first we're going to use completing the square. This is just transforming standard to vertex. So we have, first you're going to regroup this. Okay, you're going to separate the first two terms from the constant. So therefore, this is now equal to the common factor. So divide both equation by 2. 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared minus x. Then you're going to complete minus 1 minus. So we have here 2. Multiply this by 2 plus blank. So blank is 1/2 of 1. So 1/2 of 1 is 1/2 is squared. 1/2 is squared. So therefore 2, this is now x squared minus x plus 1/4 because you're going to square minus 1 minus 2 times 1/4. Then in squared mo, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So this is now factor x minus 1/2 squared. Then simplify. This is now equal now to 2. This is 2. So negative 1 minus 1/2 cross multiply. So we have here 2 times x minus 1/2 is squared. So simplify natin ang constant. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 minus 1 over 2. So therefore, the answer now is equal to 2 times x minus 1/2 is squared negative. So this is now equal to negative 3/2. So minus 3/2. So this is now your equation. This is now in the vertex form. Okay, so another. Okay, sorry for that class. Okay, so next we have next page. Okay, another example on transforming vertex standard form to the vertex form. So we have, how about if we have here this one. Going to simplify. So in your exam, you have to identify the vertex. Now, after identifying the vertex, you have to identify in the graph the axis of symmetry. For example, this is your graph. Now, so this is the ayan, this is the graph, for example. So ayan, this is the point. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so example, ayusin natin. Okay, so okay. So identify what is the vertex. The vertex is just identify the maximum point. This is the vertex. So the vertex is your x. So 1, 2, 3. So ito, x is 3, y is 1, 2. negative 1, negative 2. So, negative 2. And this is your h is equal to x. So, this is now the axis of symmetry. Nandyan po ang axis of symmetry. Kung ano po ang value of x, or rather h, that is the value of x. So, that is your axis of symmetry. Okay, so that is how to get the axis of symmetry. And we have the zeros of this is now the zeros because this is the x-axis, so these are now the zero or the x-intercept. Okay, the x-intercept. So, say, kung saan po dumaan yung point. The point that touches the x-axis, so that is your x-intercept, or we call it the zero of the quadratic functions. And for example, dito, dumaan dito yung y, and that is now your y-intercept. Okay, so, okay. So we have another example on transforming or converting. Ito. This one. Number 2. Y is equal to 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. So how are we going to convert this to the vertex form? First, regroup and then divide kung ano po yung nandito sa value ng ni A, si A, yan po ang i-divide sa lahat. So, 6. I-divide mo, 6x squared divided by x. 6 is equal to x squared minus 7. I-divide mo sa 6 because divide, then x plus blank. Minus, copy, minus 3, minus, we have here 6, so i-multiply man natin siyang 6. Ang blank na yan is 1/2 of the middle term. Your middle term is 7/6, so therefore, 7/12. So this equal no to 7/12. And square this one. So the same, 7/12 is squared. So 7 times 7 is equal now to 49/144. And then factor x minus 7/12 is squared minus 3. So this is cancel mo na. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. So, 144 is equal to 12 times 12. So, makakancel na yan. This now becomes 2. So, the answer now is 49 minus 49/2 times 12 is 24. Okay? So, therefore, this is now equal now to 6 times x minus 7/12 is squared. So this is negative 3 times 24 is equal now to, so you just multiply 24 and cross multiply. So we have 24 times 3 which is equal now to 72. So this is negative 72 minus 49/24. So 6 times x minus 7/12 is squared. So minus 72 plus 49 is equal to 100, negative 121/24. And this is now your vertex form. Okay, so that is the vertex form. So what else? So Yan na po ang coverage ninyo. So, converting, transforming, identifying the y-intercept, the x-intercept, the zeros intercept, the axis of symmetry, no? And the zeros. So, that's all coverage for your exam. So, thank you very much and good luck to your exam. Okay, class? Thank you and good luck sa exam